This is a demonstration of a technique for terminating single core hard wires on an insulator, resulting in a neat hitch without the sharp edges that are left by some tools. The technique doesn't work for stranded wires or soft wires. Form the wire around the insulator as you see here and take a half turn around the standing part, leaving about 300mm of free part. Don't work the wire unnecessarily. Some wires, for example hard drawn copper, will break if bent and then straightened. For extra strength when using softer wires, take the half turn first on the insulator side of the turn round the insulator, then a half turn on the other side of the insulator turn. Now form a handle to assist with winding turns tightly around the standing part. The crank is at right angles to the standing part, that's the standing part. The crank's at right angles to the standing part, and the handle is at right angles to the crank and parallel to the standing part. Make the crank of the handle about 200mm and the handle about 100mm. Take the handle and pulling outwards on it and backwards a little towards the insulator, wind 5 turns tightly on the standing part. Now turn the handle 90 degrees in a direction opposite to the standing part in preparation for the last step. There's our handle now 90 degrees to the standing part and in a direction away from the standing part. Next step is again take the handle firmly, pulling outwards, turn it 180 degrees, back again, and repeat that until the wire fatigues and breaks off. And there's our finished connection.